Hey guys, in this video I'm going to unbox the Whitestone dome glass screen protector for the Apple Watch Series 7. So let's open this up and see what you're going to get inside the box. I'm just going to rip it off open because it is glued together at the top here. Okay, and now we have opened up the box. Let's pull out the box. Now this one here say got for full response, full clarity, full coverage, and full fueling. So here with this screen protector, it uses the adhesive gel to glue the glass together with your Apple Watch 7. So in here we got the installation tray, and then you got two adhesive gel, two bottles. Okay, and then here I can see we have 2 packs of the screen protectors. So let's take a look at it. So this is the screen protector right here. Okay, so there are 2 packs. I'm just going to put it back into the packet right now. Okay, and then there is this absorber pad. So this will absorb any excess liquid that might spill to the side. And inside this pack here, so there is this paper guide that we can use, and then there is dust remover. Then you got the alcohol wipes, so screen cleaning cloths, and you got a dry cloth to wipe it off. Now this one here is another packet. So this is the UV light that will help to cure the adhesive gel, and let's open this up as well. Okay, so in here is the dome glass UV light. It comes with 1 USB cables, so 1 cable. However, there is no charger, so you're going to need to use your phone charger to charge up to use with this UV light. And this one here have a preset of 15 seconds and 60 seconds. So you can press on the button once for 15 seconds and press on the buttons twice for 60 seconds. And that is the UV light for your dome glass screen protector for Apple Watch Series 7. And that's it. So that is the screen protector for your Apple Watch 7 right here. And this is everything you get inside the package. Okay, so after the installation of the screen protector on the watch face, this is what it looks like. It is very beautiful. When using the protector, I feel as if I'm not really using a screen protector at all, because it is so well attached to the watch face. You feel like there is no screen protector there at all. Now, especially if you are having a case on your watch, then this will be seamless, and you will not even notice there is a screen protector there. And you can see I can move up and down easily without having any issues at all. So overall, this watch face screen protector is perfect for your Apple Watch 7.